Hello everyone, today let's see how to use permit function in Excel. So what does it do? This function calculates the maximum number of permutation given a fixed number of items. The internal order is significant, so AB and BA will be considered as two possible permutation. It could be used to calculate the possible number of 4-digit password from the uh, digit 0 to 9. So let's see how this works. So first of all, we have to create a table. So I have already created a table which I have three columns. First one is pool of items, item in a group, and the last one is permutation. So now let's see how to use permutation formula here. So first of all, we have to use permute. Then select the pool of items and comma items in a group. Close the parenthesis, press enter. As you can see, we got the permutation 20. Pool of 5, pool of items 5, item in a group 2, and the permutation is 20. Again, let's see. Okay, select the pool of item, comma, item in a group, close parenthesis, press enter. As you can see, we got the 60. Now drag and drop, we got the permutation, the all items. Let's see how this work. Here we have a pool of item 5, multiply 4, multiply, yeah, this is 2 times, so we got the result is 20. Again, we have a pool of item 5 which will be multiplied 3 times, so 4 multiply 5 multiply 4 multiply 3, and the result will be 60. Again, 10 will multiply 4 times, so 10 multiply 9 multiply 8 multiply 7, and result will be 5040. Again, we have a 26 which will multiply 6 times, so multiply 25 multiply 24 multiply 23 multiply 22 multiply 21. So we have a multiply 6 times of 6, 26, equal to 1657 1657 65 600. I can show you also in calculator. Let's see in the calculator. So we have a 26 6 time, so 26 multiply 25 multiply 20 24 multiply 23 multiply 22 multiply 21. As you can see, the result is 165765 600 as it is. So now let's see another example for which purpose we can use this function. So basically I'm going to create another table here. We have a letter in alphabet 26, letter in alphabet 26 is 26, and the password is password size is 7 and the permutations the permutation will be 26 multiply 26 permutation will be comma 7. Yeah, so this is the permutation of 26. Okay, so basically what happened here, this table used to calculate the total number of 8-letter password which can be created by using all 26 letter of the alphabet. Okay.